Good morning, family. Today is Saturday. Guess what?
Is it pancake day?
Is it no homework day?
No, it's cleaning day.
Oh, no.
Don't make sad faces. Cleaning is important.
But Mom, I wanted to play with my dolls.
And I wanted to play football outside.
Football in a dirty house? Dolls in a messy room?
No way.
If we all work together, it will be fast. Work first, play later.
Okay, but I still want pancakes after.
And I want ice cream.
Then clean well and you'll get both.
All right, let's make a cleaning plan.
I will clean the garden. The leaves are everywhere.
Good. I'll clean the kitchen. The dishes are waiting.
Can I clean my toys? They are all over the floor.
Yes, Lina, that's perfect.
And I will supervise.
No, Tom, no boss today. You help me in the garden.
Aw, but I wanted the easy job.
You're lazy, Tom.
Am not. I just like supervising.
No excuses. Everyone has a job.
Remember, teamwork makes the house shine.
Okay, fine.
Lina, let's start with your toys. Where should the dolls go?
In the big pink box. Here's one and another.
Don't forget the dirty teddy bear.
He is not dirty. He is my favorite teddy.
He looks a little dusty.
Okay, maybe a little, but he is still cute.
Careful, he will sneeze. Achoo!
Tom, you're silly.
Wash Teddy later. Now, more toys, Lina.
Yes, Mom. I'll put all my toys in order.
Tom, bring me the broom, please.
Here, Dad.
Thank you. Now sweep the leaves into one pile.
This is hard.
Try faster, Tom.
Whoa! Leaf storm!
Hey, not in my eyes.
Sorry, Dad. It's fun, though.
Cleaning can be fun, but you need to focus.
Okay. But look! Leaf rain!
You are making more work for us.
At least we are laughing while cleaning.
My toys are clean. What are you two doing?
I'm making a leaf tornado!
That's not cleaning. That's playing.
I'm working and playing at the same time.
Lazy boy.
Teacher's pet.
Am not.
Enough, you two. I heard that. Less fighting, more cleaning.
Okay, Dad.
Okay, Dad.
Good. Now, Tom, sweep. Lina, can you pick up the small leaves?
Yes, Dad. See? I'm better than Tom.
We'll see about that.
These dishes are dirty. Who wants to help me?
Not me. I already cleaned toys.
Not me. I'm busy with Dad.
Busy making more mess, not cleaning.
Hey, I'm working hard.
All right, I'll wash the dishes, but next week you two help me.
Okay, Mom, but I want gloves next time.
And I want bubbles. Washing dishes looks fun.
You'll both get your chance.
The garden is clean now.
Yes! No more leaves.
Kitchen is shining too. Toys are in the box. Room is neat.
Great job, team. But wait, look at the living room floor. Oh no, dust everywhere.
Let's use the vacuum. Good idea, Lina. Tom, please bring it here.
On it.
Too loud.
Careful, I'll vacuum your hair.
Stop, Tom. I'll become bald.
Tom, vacuum the floor, not your sister.
Be careful with the furniture, too.
Okay. See? I'm cleaning like a pro.
More like a noisy robot.
Beep, beep. Cleaning robot. Reporting for duty.
Look at these windows. They are so dusty.
Can I help clean the glass?
Yes, here's the cloth. Wipe gently.
I'll draw a smiley face first. See?
Tom, that's not cleaning.
Okay, drawing first, then cleaning.
Just don't make it dirtier.
Fine. Bye-bye, smiley face. Hello, clean window.
We also need to fold these clothes.
I can fold my pink t-shirt.
And I can fold socks.
That's not folding, Tom. That's rolling.
Rolling is faster.
You'll make sock burritos.
At least he's trying.
Who wants to dust the shelves?
Not me. Dust makes me sneeze.
I'll do it. I'm brave. Achoo! That's fake, Tom.
How about this? Every time you dust, you say, "Goodbye, dust." Goodbye, dust.
Goodbye, dust. Now the dust feels scared and runs away.
Cleaning is easier with music. Let's play a song.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Yay! Dance and clean.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am the cleaning rock star.
Rockstar, please finish wiping the table.
The broom is my guitar.
Tom, can you take this trash bag outside?
Okay, Mom. Whoa, it's heavy.
You can do it. You're strong.
I'm a superhero carrying a bomb.
Don't drop the bomb, Tom.
Careful, superhero. It's just trash.
Mission complete. Trash Gone.
Now books on the shelf are messy.
I'll organize them by color. Pink, blue, yellow.
That's silly. Books should be by size.
No, by color.
No, by size.
How about by subject?
Or we can do half by color, half by size.
Okay.
Problem solved. Teamwork wins again.
I'm tired. Can we rest now?
Yes, break time.
Just 5 minutes. Then we finish.
Here, drink some water.
Thanks, Mom.
Thank you.
Don't drink too fast, Tom.
Oops, water monster attack.
Okay, let's check each room.
Garden, clean.
Toys, tidy.
Windows, shiny.
Living room, no dust.
High five, Lina.
High five.
I'm proud of my team.
Best cleaning day ever.
All right, everything is clean.
Yes, teamwork makes a shiny home.
Finally. Can we play now?
And eat ice cream?
First, wash your hands. Then you can both have ice cream.
3 scoops, please.
No, me first.
1 scoop each. No fighting.
And later, we can all play together.
Yay!